Hi, I'm Richard here with Vision Outdoor Products, here to show you how to assemble a 4-foot box kit rail section. After purchasing your boxed rail kit, the only tool you're going to need is a cordless or corded drill with adjustable torque setting. Each 4-foot boxed rail kit includes a top handrail, a pre-punched bottom rail, a pre-punched top filler, a bottom filler, 2 pre-punched aluminum reinforcements, 9 pickets, a 1-page instruction sheet, and a bag of hardware that includes mounting brackets. Now that we're ready to assemble, take your aluminum reinforcement and slide it into the bottom rail. Ensure that the holes line up. If cuts need to be made, ensure that you've done them before assembly and on both ends to ensure that the picket spacing is equal. Once your holes are aligned, you're going to take the longest screw out of the hardware bag and insert it through the hole on the end. Make sure that the screw is in line with the picket holes at the bottom of the picket. Once you've installed the pickets to the bottom rail, you're going to take your pre-punched top filler and align the groove to the aluminum. The pre-cut holes should be lined up to the pickets and ready for drilling. Repeat the same process for the remaining pickets on your rail. Now that you've fully assembled your railing, it's now time to fasten the mounting brackets on the top and bottom of both ends of your railing. Please ensure that the mounting bracket is recessed in 1/16 of an inch. When fastening down your mounting brackets, use the 1/2-inch self-tapping screw. Now that we've mounted our brackets to our railing, it's now time to go into our post kit, which consists of a galvanized steel insert, a PVC sleeve, a 2-piece skirt, and a cap for the top of our posts. In order to fasten our railing to our post, screws need to be inserted 3.5 inches from the bottom of our post. Grab your railing and align the markings with the brackets of your post. Once both posts are fastened to the railing, rest the handrail on top of the aluminum and snap into place. It's now time to snap in the bottom filler to the track. When installing on a wood platform, ensure there is blocking wherever mounting your post. Our railing systems have been engineered to be mounted to wood platforms using 3/8 by 6-inch long leg bolts. Ensure to drill pilot holes to prevent cracking. After your railing is securely fastened to your platform, install the skirt. When mounting to concrete, pre-drill a hole according to the size of the cement anchor you're going to be using. We've engineered our posts to be mounted down into concrete using 3/8 by 4 inch long concrete anchors. It is recommended to drill your holes at least 2 inches from the edge of the concrete slab to prevent the slab from cracking. Hope you found our assembly video helpful. For more information, please visit our website.